Yes, good evening friends and buddies from around the world. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is DJCAST, your lover boy DJ. Tonight we are here at Al Garhoud Bridge, Dubai, UAE to witness the amazing New Year's fireworks all over Dubai. First thing first, time check. Wow, 10 minutes before 12 midnight and people are preparing for the big band. But please subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated on my videos. No further ado, please enjoy.
You have 10 more minutes to 12 midnight, guys. Say to your family in Egypt.
Happy New Year to each and everyone in India. Back home, Hyderabad. Here as well, my family is there. So Happy New Year to my wife and children.
Okay, good, good. How about you? You have family?
No, I don't have family.
How about you, bro? You have family? No family. Burj Khalifa now is about to start. Kabayan, Happy New Year! Happy New Year, kabayan! Ready? 1, 2.
Okay, and that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching the New Year's 2023 fireworks celebration here at Al Garhoud Bridge, Dubai, UAE. If you like this video, give me your thumbs up and help my channel to grow. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you are always updated on my videos. Happy New Year once again, and I hope that you will have many blessings in the year to come. See ya in my next video. Bye!